Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic CRM section, lead part. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So first, we have to visit the CRM part. And after visiting the CRM part, we have to visit the lead section. So what is basically lead? Lead is a raw data. It can be of two type. It can be the new lead or the repeated lead. New lead is the first contact from a potential client. Repeated lead comes from a customer who is already in the CRM, and it can be the qualified and the unqualified lead. A qualified lead is a customer interested in a product, allowing you to create a deal to complete the sale. And the unqualified lead are customers who do not plan to buy anything. For example, they contacted you by the mistake or provided incorrect information. So you can manage it by non-qualified lead and the qualified. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.